Did you know that there is a food that can transform your health in impressive ways? A food that helps control cholesterol, helps keep blood sugar levels balanced, and even promotes a lasting feeling of satiety. And the best part, it's great for people of all ages and lifestyles. But before I reveal the secret behind so many benefits, I want to give you a quick thought. In our busy daily lives, it's common to look for quick and easy solutions to eating. A hurried breakfast, an impromptu lunch at work, a quick snack in the evening. These options, so accessible and seemingly harmless, hide ingredients that silently damage our health. Chemical preservatives, excess saturated fat, high levels of sugar, and empty calories. All this forms a combination that, over time, contributes to weight accumulation, imbalances in the body, and an increased risk of chronic diseases such as diabetes, hypertension, and cardiovascular problems. But what if I told you that it was possible to change this reality? That there is a natural, affordable, and incredibly simple solution to include in your daily routine? A food that will not only nourish your body, but also help restore the balance and vitality you deserve. If you want to find out what this powerful food is and understand how it can be a game changer for your health, stay with me until the end of this video. I promise that every second will be worth it. Now, get ready to learn the secret of smart nutrition that will revolutionize your daily life. Are you ready? Let's go. Imagine starting the day with renewed energy, feeling lighter and in balance. This powerful food has the potential to contribute directly to your heart health, helping to reduce bad cholesterol and promote more efficient digestion. We're not talking about a miracle solution, but a true natural health ally. By including this food in your routine, you're not just nourishing yourself. You're taking care of your vitality, preventing inflammation, and strengthening your immune system. And for those looking to maintain a balanced weight, this natural option is a valuable strategy for satisfying hunger intelligently, without resorting to ultra-processed foods. You may be thinking, is that really possible? I assure you it is. This food is within everyone's reach, versatile, and incredibly easy to prepare. Whether you're 30, 40, 50, or older, it can become an important pillar in your quest for quality of life. No wonder health and nutrition experts recommend it. Now, let's unravel this secret together and understand why it can make such a difference to your life. Now is the time to go deeper and understand why this food is so special. Oats have been known since ancient times and were widely cultivated in parts of Europe and Asia. Ancient warriors valued its energizing properties, and modern studies confirm its health benefits. Nutritional composition: rich in soluble fiber, antioxidants, B vitamins, iron, magnesium, phosphorus, zinc, and vegetable proteins. It offers a wide range of essential nutrients for maintaining good health. Benefits: reduces cholesterol. Soluble fibers help reduce levels of bad cholesterol, LDL, by forming a gel that reduces its absorption in the intestine. Balances sugar levels. Helps control blood glucose by slowing down the absorption of sugars and preventing glycemic spikes, making it an ally in the management of type 2 diabetes. Improved digestion. Its fibers promote healthy intestinal transit, preventing constipation and maintaining a balanced intestinal flora. Sensation of satiety. Helps control appetite, providing a greater feeling of satiety and contributing to body weight management. Antioxidant action. Antioxidant compounds fight free radicals, reducing the risk of inflammation and chronic diseases. Strengthens the immune system. The nutrients present help improve the immune response, making the body more resistant to infections. Mental health. B vitamins contribute to the proper functioning of the nervous system, helping to reduce symptoms of stress and anxiety. And these are just some of the many benefits you can experience by including this food in your daily routine. In the next segment, I'll show you practical and delicious ways to incorporate it into your routine. Now that you know the incredible benefits of this food, it's time to find out how to put it into practice in your daily life. Because there's no point in having information if it doesn't translate into action, right? Versatility is one of the great advantages of this food. You can consume it in different ways throughout the day, adapting it to your taste buds and routine. From a nutritious breakfast to healthy desserts, It's the perfect option for those who want to combine health and taste. Practical suggestions. Breakfast with oats. Prepare a bowl of porridge with fresh fruit, nuts, and a touch of honey. This combination offers long-lasting energy and a burst of nutrients. Smoothies. Add this ingredient to your morning smoothie to increase satiety and enrich the drink with fiber and protein. Savory recipes. Use as a healthy breading for meats or vegetables, replacing refined flours. Healthy desserts. Create natural energy bars with this base, without the need for processed sugars. And what happens when you include this food on a regular basis? Digestive health with oats. You'll experience a significant improvement in digestion, with a feeling of lightness and a balanced bowel. Weight management. Prolonged satiety will prevent hunger spikes throughout the day, making it easier to manage your body weight. Sustained energy. Goodbye to constant fatigue. This food keeps energy levels high, without the sudden peaks and dips caused by simple sugars. Metabolic balance thanks to oats. Controlling blood sugar and cholesterol levels contributes to cardiovascular and metabolic health. Imagine being able to turn every meal into a step towards a healthier, more balanced life. Imagine waking up feeling energized and confident that you are doing the best for your body. That's what you can achieve by adopting this powerful nutritional ally. Now it's up to you. Try it out, test new recipes, and discover the pleasure of taking care of yourself with intelligence and flavor. After all, health starts on the plate, and there's nothing better than making it your greatest ally. Imagine waking up in a better mood, without that constant tiredness. Imagine your body functioning in a balanced way, with healthy digestion and constant energy throughout the day. That's exactly what you can achieve by including this powerful food in your daily routine. Here on the channel, I bring you many other equally magical foods that can transform your health from the inside out. If you want to discover even more ways to take care of your body with intelligence and simplicity, check out our complete playlist dedicated to these superfoods. But don't leave now. Finish this video and then dive into this journey to a healthier, more balanced life. Together, let's turn what you put on your plate into real allies for your health.